Hello and welcome to another retro episode of French Fried Trades, where we look back at some older clips from a few years ago. All of these clips were taken in summer of 2019. A single ES44 ACH leads this one. And another one on the rear, helping to push the train. An ES44 ACH leads this one, followed by a GP40-3. And there goes the DPU, another ES44 ACH. This one was shot down by the bridge after walking the nature trail off of Carmody Park. A single ET44 AH leads. Followed by a DPU strangely close to the front of the train, an ES44 ACH. That same day, we would shoot a second train on the same bridge. Three locomotives pull this train into the siding, an ES40 DC, followed by a -9 and an AC44 CW. An ES44 ACH and a GP38-2 lead this one. Foreign power on this one, as a Canadian Pacific ES44 AC leads the train. This one we just barely caught at the crossing. A pair of Norfolk Southern locomotives, an ET44 AC and a -9. A nice little horn show from the engineer there, as a YN2 AC44 CW leads, followed by an ET44 AH, bringing this train into the siding. a YN2 AC44CW, and a smoke belching SD42. Work hard to get this train moving out of Carlisle siding. A Dash 9 leads this one, followed by an ES44 ACH. And a lot of auto frames on this guy. Another nice horn show here, as an ES44 ACH leads, followed by an AC44 CW in YN2 paint. And here's a graffitied up old chassis system car. Four locomotives on this one, an ES40DC, an ES44 ACH, a GP38-2, and a GP40-2. Three locomotives lead this train, an ET44AH, a GP40-2, and a Canadian Pacific ES44 AC. And a fourth unit on the rear, another ET44AH. Check that out. An ET44AH leads, followed by an ES40DC and a Canadian National C40-8m wide body in the old zebra stripe paint pattern. A nice little horn show there, as an ES40DC leads, followed by a Dash 8. A YN2 AC44CW, and an ES44 ACH. Move this auto rack train through the crossing on a rainy day. A pair of Dash 9s lead this manifest train. An ET-44AH leads this northbound empty ore train. And another one on the rear end. Here's another one we just barely caught at the crossing. An ET-44AC leads, followed by a Dash 9. And an SD-70 Ace running as mid-train DPU. An ES40DC and an AC44CW lead this auto rack train out of the siding. This train is led by a pair of ES44 ACHs as it heads into the siding. Well, rail fans, that's all for this retro episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.